What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another how-to clean video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean these ISPA Nike Element Reacts. As you can see, got pretty trash. Now I'm a huge fan of this shoe, guys. I really like it. It's very comfortable. Now this colorway I'm not that big of a fan of, but the shoe itself is great. It's very light. It has this kind of like, I don't know if it's like plasticky knitted material on the top, which is kind of unique, but I really like this shoe. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below on your thoughts on these Nike Element Reacts. So today, guys, I am gonna be cleaning these with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this video, I am gonna be cleaning the right shoe. So I'm gonna put this left one back here. Now, the first step you always wanna do, guys, is grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. I think these are my size 11.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and just go up to the second to last toe up there. That should be good. Now, you always wanna put in the shoe tree, guys, because that's gonna allow you to do is get that form on that toe box looking good and allow you to put more pressure and get a real deep cleaning. So the next step, guys, after that is to remove the laces. All right, guys, the next step is to grab your bottle of Reshoevn8r solution and pour 2 little small squirts into your bowl, just like so. And I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, now remember I did point out that this material is kind of unique. I'm not sure what it is. Like I said, it's kind of like a mesh knitted plastic material. So I'm actually really curious to see how they clean up because it kind of seems like the dirt is interlocked in there, but we'll see. All right, guys, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up the cleaning for the uppers knitted material here. I'm not gonna clean it off. I'm gonna let the suds do its thing and get all that dirt. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is move on to the midsoles and the outsoles with the stiff bristle brush. Since the material is exactly the same, I'm just gonna stick with that same stiff brush. So let's go ahead and grab that now. Boom. All right, guys, before I start cleaning the outsole, I do wanna give you guys a quick tip. As you can see, this outsole is pretty unique. It has like some divots here and it's just kind of all over the place. So what I like to do is clean the entire outsole up and down first, and then I like to go back and hit it in multiple directions just to make sure I get into deep crevices. So quick tip for Johnny Bubbles. Let's get cleaning. All right, guys, those outsoles are looking really good. Go ahead and check them out. All right, the next step, guys, is to grab our laces and clean these up. Now, all you have to do is just grab them, dip them into your solution and water mixture. Make sure you get them all soaked up. Woo-hoo. That one was good. All right, guys, the laces are all nice and soaked up. They are looking pretty good, but I'm still gonna put them inside the shoe for the washer. Next up is to put them in your laundry bag. Victor? Thank you, sir. You're gonna go ahead and open up your laundry bag like so. Just put the shoe in it. You wanna make sure you lock up the shoes, guys, because you don't want them falling out during the wash. Lock them down. Boom. Let's go put them in the wash. Time for the washer, guys. Let's go ahead and put these Element Reacts into the wash. I'm gonna grab our sneaker laundry detergent that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Loosen the cap, squeeze about 1 ounce. Gonna go ahead and pour it right on the shoe. It's not gonna hurt. You wanna close it up, turn on your washer. Normal cycle, guys, cold water, extra rinse if you got it, and start. We'll be back in 1 hour. All right, guys, it is day number 2. I went ahead and let these dry overnight, and as you can see, they cleaned up super nice, guys. Like, I'm really impressed with the results. Let me show you guys a side-by-side comparison real quick. Now guys, I did achieve these results using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. But before I wrap this up guys, I also want to use one more product, and that is our deodorizer. We do have this, which keeps your shoes smelling nice and fresh. We use this a lot on Vick's shoes because his feet just stink like crazy. And especially in the summertime, it is ridiculous. I can't even tell you guys, when he kicks off a shoe, this takes care of it. So guys, if you want to go ahead and check out the description below, we got a promo code that's going to go ahead and save you guys some bucks. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, because we do huge giveaways every single month where you can win a hype pair of shoes. Let me know what you guys thought about this cleaning video, guys. Leave me a comment below. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you next time.